Hi, Mom. Hey, what's up?
Yes, I'm at my desk. Why?
Slow down. What are you talking about? What trip?
It's not the sound that birds make. Okay, it is the sound that birds make, but it's not the sound that birds make. It's a message that you send to somebody else on Twitter.
Well, you have to figure out what you named it first so that you can look it up in there.
To the Bahamas? How?
So first, you're gonna want to find the TV remote. That's the bigger one. Find the input button.
You have a PC. Yes. Yes, I'm sure.
Twitter's the website, Mom. That's where you send a tweet.
No, Mom, that's just an ad for Facebook. It's not gonna work. I promise you it will not work.
Well, you owe me dinner sometime. Love you too. Bye.
You know what? When I come over for dinner tonight, I will totally help you find it.
All right, Mom, just come over for dinner tonight. We'll figure this out, and we'll get you unsubscribed.
Oh! Sorry, Mom. I'm gonna have to let you go. It's time for lunch. We're having orange chicken. Tell you what, if it's good, I'll grab the recipe off our blog and I'll make it for you for Mother's Day. Sounds good? Alright. See you then.